Guys, here go, guys, everywhere. Severe thunderstorm warning. Head on. Oh God. What the hell? Severe thunderstorm warning. I am so shaking.
A severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Quarter-size hail was reported at Flying Horse Ranch. Impact.
Guys, out of nowhere, the hell just would boom.
Locations impacted include southern
Guys,
Colorado
I am
Springs,
shaking.
Fountain, Ellicott, Stratford, Schriever Air Force Base, Security, Peterson Air Force Base, Falcon, Security, Winefield, Cimarron Hills, and Fort Carson.
Guys, I am shaking.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe thunderstorm warning.